Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic lemon pasta. As you can see from the ingredients, it's very simple and you can definitely make it with what you have on hand. For the pasta, I'm using thin spaghetti. You can use regular spaghetti or whatever other type of pasta you have. Garlic cloves, a little bit of red chili flakes, lemons. I'll use the zest and the juice. For an herb, I'm using flat leaf parsley. If you don't have flat leaf parsley, you can use dried parsley or dried oregano, basil, whatever you have. And of course, olive oil. In a large pot, boil water for the pasta. While the water's boiling, I'll zest the lemons. You just want the peel and not the white pith. Now we'll juice the lemons. Now the water's at a full boil. Add salt and the pasta. Stir once in a while and cook until tender. Careful not to overcook the pasta. My pasta is going to cook in about 6 minutes, so in the meantime, I'm going to grate the garlic and chop the parsley. Heat up another pan when the pasta is just about a minute away from being done. Pour in some olive oil, red chili flakes, lemon zest, and garlic. You can hear it starting to sizzle. Just about 20 seconds. You don't want the garlic to burn. Make sure your heat is low to medium and not high. Pour in the lemon juice, a little salt, and you don't have to drain the pasta. Just take it directly from the pot and put it into the pan. You can really smell the lemon and the garlic. Taste and add more salt if you need to. If you have some Parmesan cheese or Romano cheese, you can grate it right over the pasta. If you don't have it, that's fine. You can eat the pasta just as it is without the cheese. It tastes very good. Parsley. Now if you were using a dried herb, you can add it with the garlic and chili flakes in the beginning. See how easy and quickly this came together. And here's our bowl of simple garlic lemon pasta. It's lemony, garlicky, got a little bit of heat from the chili flakes. Absolutely delicious and so satisfying. I do hope you give this a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.